I'm extending Teshizile greetings to everyone. So please follow with me the text, wonder text, with the the motivations of the bodhicitta, giving rise to this excellent motivation.
Guru Bema Bao Kandu Zodan Jeba Damsh Ku Garda Zonda Gen Aje Loyang Tuji Gom Pegbara Sharji Ngo Dala Ted Chadil Je Chadan Je De Silje Dunje Namgara Jembara Guru Chelamanga Drenzo Nanje Medala Donje Jenje Tidada Gam Zum Zem Jela Sem Luman Denje Ngando Nam Tesenendo Bena Waraja Mandodo Njur Bezem Jela Purarendo Benal Jorenge Chinka Jene Zodre Benje Palamanje Jeje Jone Lungaye Danyo Mine Ba Tente Sango Bede Namba Lejawan Dunji Talanju Nere Nyam Gejendero Tarajende Nero Mai Kelamanga Zonamji Medage Gozumjenye Medage Gozumjenye Lo Medage Gozumjenye Lo La so ta deje la lungro salgo ba yinza lung kuchu nyamdo salgo na shubi.
So now it's time to exhale the stale breath. Please follow me in exhaling the ninefold, the stale breath.
나서 다데젤라 네 솔데브다 진랍슈에데 인두 소소지조도 네 남바데 구루르모지 임발라 뭐 소소 잡을라마 임바 네 살답 네 삼테바다 그바 메바 째지비 돈네 네 단다자랑 소와다비 인제게나라 질람나로나 질랍거리는 거에서 네 단다 조베 창조주비 창조주버쳐발라 니히 온로 야고지 줄라게 고요래 아니 창조지 섬야고 줄라게 고요래 니 뭐시게네 냠네 동니 닝제 송도주바 냠네 야고 줄게 고요래 어디 제도네 된소 야고 줄라게 와다 아니 단다도 라바르도 온로 로도 넘버시데 공구 여장 로도 넘버시 주디 단다도 줄야고지 진짜 말로 버텨와네 진짜 랍도 솔데브체 아니 솔데체자 비체라 아니 라메 솔라 나와 진스 온텐 나와 진스 된 라메 월기 넘버 주제 아니 소소지 지존의 마팀 아니 주 고송다 라메 고송 도송데 예르메는 요송 삼메 이마레 근데 요자네 데네지네 아니 담바네 마다 냠도는 칼레사도 나로나 주기
Now we are at the point of supplication and the uh, requesting for blessings. So we have to supplicate with fervent devotions and aspirations for blessings. We are requesting our guru's blessings. So in the guru, being visualized on the crown of our head, appearing in the form of Guru Rinpoche, but in essence is our own guru. So we are requesting, so asking his blessings for the sake of the attainment of the 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 final the enlightenment, and then the reason for attaining these, wanting to attain this final the Buddhahood is first of all to attain a good practice of the wonder practice, and then at the same time the practice of emptiness, the good great understanding of emptiness, as well as then the in specific the four mind changing dharma, to gain the all of this understanding. So then we are requesting the blessings, to requesting guru to bless us, and visualizing guru is on our crown and blessing us from up there, and then our mind and body and speech are fully blessed and then unified with the guru's mind body speech. So now take a moment and contemplate on this point for a little bit.
발덴 자웨 라마 렘보 다게 조르 베메 덴라쇼 가덴제 고네 제존 고존 도제 오조 자도조 대존 산제 담제게 오 라마 렘보 제게 다게 주민제 졸와라 젠지 라도 sablamje doba jebara jen jula jewara jenji lamdo sedenye la waza doba jembe lam tarjen bara jenji lamdo zun sanje dam jenji ngogo lama rembo jenji dagi ju minje jolwara jenji lamdo Sablam je doba je barajen jula je warajen je labdozo. Sedenye la ozal zoba je lamjo darje barajen je labdozo. Nduzom sanje dam je je. Amarimbo je je dage gyu menje cholwara je je labdozo. Sablam je doba je barajen jula je warajen je Zedinye la ozal zoba jimbul tarjen barajen je labdozo Solwan devzo lama rimbo je tungbe budu jenjen juje Kalme dala reza jele Tuye irmen je barajen je lo Gema dage gyuden kangne ja daljuro dini shindo nye baranga. La so, ane nga zo danda changju goban tobar che bala hi ngondro mena metab shagyo bare. Nga zo kangba che kyun gugu yuna ale dangbo ngola sashi tenbo chi ane nga gugu yo bare. Sashi tenbo nangshin du ane ngondro ire te yore. Ane ngondro yakbo chungwa ina ngwe she yakbo yungu yo san. Ane nga zo danda ngondro chwe de la ta samlo dang zana mido. Di ane nyamlin che shimba yinba re.
So, for the supreme enlightenment, the most important things is the preliminary practice. And the preliminary practice is like building, it's the basis for building our houses. While building our houses, we need a good ground, good base. So just like that, for the practice of the supreme enlightenment, we need a good the base, which is the wonder practice, preliminary practice. If there is a good preliminary practice, then the man body practice will naturally be great.
Ngondro de la tomong chi ngondro tang tumin nanyi ngondro che namba nyi yungu yore. Tena na dana nga zo ane tomong chi ngondro de ane kwamshimba yinba re. Ane tomong chi ngondro de zo lodo namba shi yindu tena na dana nga zo daljor nyaka wako la ane samlo tang tang tong shimba yinba re. Daljor nyaka wa nang ne dene dalwa che jorwa chu tenzo nga zo samlo tang sawa re. Ane te che la chaljung kenji me kumba je di kola yang samlo tang sawa re. Ta tanda re che lui me kumba je nang ne pe che shu tum ne chik tsala de yore. Ane nga zo tanda ne samlo tang ge yin.
So, within the common and uncommon preliminary practice, so we are now at the point or the at the point of studying this common preliminary practice. Then, as for the common preliminary practice, we have covered. We are at the point of studying or practicing the 4 mind changings, 4 points, changing the mind towards Dharma. And for that, we have talked about the the 8 freedoms and 10 riches already. And then at the same time, we have talked about the 8 unfree states. Now we are at the point of talking about the 8 unfavorables of the based mind. Sorry. And for that, we have talked about most of the points, and and now we have reached at the final points of this 8 unfavorable of the based mind.
단데 타마 찍라죠데 되네. 담직 찰와 세근데레. 네 담직 찰 맞아세도 띵아조 조베 장주 로버차 발라 뉴람데 상암도지 테베 죄데 자기여레 인데 상가지 람데 주고고나 주고데 왕라 도로고여레 진에 왕슈 사회 제라 네 담색 송세근데 인게 좀 쇼지 자기여레 다 담색 남랑 가조여레서 되잖아 다도 뭐 요마레 네 레데다 단다 네 출은 뒤선나 아니 당랑 지나나 뒤선나 되게 요래 제가 라면 고송 도숨나도 뒤에로다 자외 담지 줍시다 연락 담지 줍시라서 받아 시야 먹고 요래데 출은 뒤나 당랑 선 지나라 도tum난 되게 요래 당랑 되네 소소 왕고르근 라마 왕냠도 쉬군지 추로 대마인비 니 가서 그래 산지 템발로 슈비 가서 그래 강사 용조 대마인비 로르르 선지 용조라네 다낭 공고 봐 제고로 다낭 간데 공부를 세리 제 좀 심전 탐지기 다 상가지 문이 시다 지용도 희란 대화 전부 차 그래 시 대화 전부 세딩 가서도 단다 망저 뉴라마 아니 로저 나셔 바래 도 갑수 대신 뭐 beje dangre wa dine changmaksem ngazo semyere semjerang ne tongbanyire tongbanyire ngo tinani ta sanje choguro chogusuru sanjere wa dende jirangshi yindu changma sang kyangye da kyarung sangje neba yoba jire de yudu ne changma la ne ni tanangji kamgure eni tongde juna.
So the last of the 8 unfavorable of the based mind is the declining of samaya. So generally, for the great perfection or the final attainment of the Buddhahood, the tantric practice is the path, which is more of the swift and faster or shortcut. So for this path, then the empowerment in order to enter this path, this specific tantric path, the empowerment is important. Then for empowerment, the samaya then is important aspect. And then samaya has many categories as that of the root 14 root samayas and 14 the branch samayas, so forth. However, if we condense it, it could be condensed or subsumed the in the concept of pure perceptions. Then what is pure perception? The pure perception is mainly about as a practitioner, we have our gurus, we have our Dharma friends, as well as all other sentient beings. So we are, as a Dharma practitioner, taking all of them, gurus, your Dharma friends, as well as entire sentient beings, having the same Buddha natures, as the basis, the Buddha nature. That is, as many of you are studying the Uttara Tantra Shastra, and it talks about the Buddha nature, and that one, and everyone possesses this Buddha nature, and at the same time, our the very nature of our mind is empty, and therefore we all sentient beings, including our gurus and dharma friends, all have these specific potentials of becoming buddhas. So basically, pure perception is taking things in that way, in the way of believing or thinking that all sentient beings can attain buddhahood, are equal to yourself. So that's about pure perception.
Tene yindu lama dan chodo da semjen tamje ngolo sanje yinba. En tene tanang chango go yore la. Ene kabwa wala nga zo mi yindu ene kongro lama dago dan mi dewa chungwa tene yunga yore. Tene chungwa dan ne chungwa la chungwa yinba hako xie. Xie ne tene sozo yi ji shaba chaya dan. Ene mi damla dro ne ene kongda tude xue dago dan. Ene tiye chala tene lamzang dorsem komde la soba che la soba da wa tende jene ne shaba jene jogu yorwa wa tende tagda jogu mi de daire ta tamzik tende tangnang de ma shor tanang jana chang man yu chung ane tamze ma nyam jogu yore sanga ja wang shu wa la soba ma nyam jogu yore ane de tamze nyam ne ane tende tarba tamze jima gobang tobe ane tagrang ba shu cha jogu yorwa tezda kange sem namdo khala leb yundu zana suwa yunguru wa ina ya namdo de chö tuku du mindu tagu yore chö tuku me sona na dhig mindu ngay tangnang de changtu ma zong nor zong chu song de ya chö tabi kala dhruya jen bezun che ene ta namdo tangnang da ma kabo la nyamba ina ene gyundu chö tuku yore wa ta didi mindu ne gyun kyang wachi che kuku yore wa tenre sozo lang do da mindu tenre sozo 균장은 로고요나 아니 다 최제 발로 콤바샤고요 tenre mena yang ne karasa ur yang 최제 발로 조진에 메고 바라는 와 메고 바이나 tenre 소소소소는 줘바제 아니 줘와제 아니 소소소소라 되니 야 등에 링민도 삼보다 아니 네 야부 중화에는 어다 되샤 야부 중도라면 데 제주 이란자 남상 개와들 ngwa 땅 어딘데 제보고 유래 어딘데 주는 삼보다로 나주기
And then generally, our gurus, our Dharma friends, and all sentient beings are Buddha in their essence, right? However, as we ordinary beings, from time to time, we would experience hatred, attachment, so forth. But whenever we experience those, then we have to be able to make confessions or say sorry to others, whoever we give rise to, give those get attached or get angry at. So we have to be able to say sorry, or we have to, meditate on the Vajrasattvas, so forth, and then we have to check for ourselves if we are able to, make these confessions, and at the same time, kind of revise our own behaviors and thinkings. whenever we give rise to those negative emotions. This is very important. If we are unable to check and correct our behaviors, then our samaya is naturally declining. And yeah, so that then we are in a way naturally falling into the state where we are unable to practice dharma properly. Therefore, we always have to check whenever we are experiencing negative emotions or the negative afflictions. Then we have to constantly make effort to help ourselves uh, from those bad experiences. Yeah. So if we are able to do that, then we are in the state of free to dharma, free to practice dharma. If we are not in the state of helping ourselves while we are experiencing negative the thought, then we are in the state of unfree states, right? In that way, then we are unable to practice dharma. And while we are falling in that state, we have to be able to confess as well as correct ourselves, and then try to be on the right path, or be try to kind of be on the free state. Yeah, that's point of being one of the last at the point of the eight unfavorable of the based mind.
나서 근데 제베 페제 된 가서 달주르 저게 단주 저게 강라 아니 탈중 겐지 메곤바제 레젤로이 메곤바제 제비 달주르 소시 담바 아니 고레레레 되는 거죠 삼바당 사버래 다 뒤로 달주 저 소시 능도다 달주 저게 능도 본좀 서버 상대비 밀루른 버체디 아니 샤라게 아니 가서 그래 예 갈라가고 얘나 던좀보 shakdagi yore la ta dindeji milu rinpoche di ane lawi luile yang ane sangwa roje chakdogu yore lala yang ane chwe ta che kom ma kom sagande mi la tuyana kala kaa chagu yore mi di ane ta karasa gore che tuba dang sozo nyu son na tarba dang tamchi kimbo gobang tobar che begi lamga ange tangbo dire che ma nyu son na ane koro dang ngen son la ane mutu ne roje yang nyanga che shoji 가슴마다 미지 랭냐 상은 망고 휴지 약쇼데 미히엔 두부이라 하고 두부이래 대가수 개와 제반은 개와 톱좀 휴지다 대과 제반은 대과 톱좀 휴지 제도부이로 와 딘데는 단단하죠 근데 밀루토바 데라라 나는 된여 바지다 펜도 여 바지 제기 냠바지 마도바 아니 밀루 주소다 초라도 당에메 아니 되네지로 아니 조스 삼라당 거기래 근데 조스 삼라당
Okay, now we have basically finished meditating on the 18 the uh, the points of the freedoms and advantages, the 8 unfree states, 8 unfavorable of the mind base. In total, the 34 points we have meditated. And so generally, there's a human body which has all of this. It's very, very difficult to find. Once it's found, then it is a very, very meaningful life. And it is more meaningful than life of gods, those beings in the god realms. And beings in the god realm, even though they have lots of pleasures, but compared to humans, they are still distracted by uh, other pleasures and unable to practice Dharma properly. So for human beings, we have the best capacity to attain liberations and the omniscience if we use it properly. But at the same time, if we don't use it properly, then we are very likely also on the verge of going to the lower realm all the time, right? However, compared to other sentient beings, then we are very capable and we are in a fortunate state. And if we do virtuous deeds, we can do tremendously virtuous deeds. If we do some negative, also similar way. So now take a moment and think that we have this human body, precious human body, and we are going to use this precious human body properly for the sake of other sentient beings, helping other sentient beings. Yeah. So please take a moment and contemplate on these.
라서 니 밀르rumbo 쳔데 아니 냐칼라 카보 칸데레 세르잖아 난 좀된데 진도나라 베고네 냐버카와 장지고네 냐버카솔 아니 다가나신도 규고네 냐버카솔 쳔네 넘버 숨무송나 요레 규 아니 다 베고네 냐버카와데 베간데 송요레 세르 앞에나 다타노 동숨제 제된 강부 자조 지금바체 자조지 띵데라 르베 샤르바지 르베 샤라지 네버제 다 디니 강라 능아조 나가메도존라 싱가모두 아니 랑고라서 바섬진제 강라 징발라 샤지 냐싱지여와 어디 냐싱지 여바제 냐싱데도 고 자조제 발랍제 샤로 로드노브자다 추 가와가솔라 유그로와 파로 소르제 요레 추 발랍제 가와유 텔라데는 저거 요레 아니 루바 샤라디 로차 젤라 테마치 지 야조지 강라데네 레고 요바제 데냐싱데다 루바 디니 갑도 잡스그레다 쓰그 마르선 갑도 잡스그로와 루바 지징바딜라 다다 냐싱데 아니 가르스기 요레 켄스기 요레 추스기 요레 다디 빼면서 깔아가버려야 돼 이나양 영세 바라와스 왔다 대외장 밀루름버치 토베데 깔아가와래 쓰기래 너저다 거르완 나라 심젠 참에바 로르 망보 쇼지여와 냐와에다 라ዞ바 텐도 나라데 Yunrubo da Mangbo da Jawa Yang Yang do Lang Yure, Minang La Tobe de Taka Kabla Madoba Mebara, Tatanda, Tangazo Dende Jitoba Zamji, and a Chadagirova. That's also Dende Toba than Kawakum Yure, ne Pechik Tire, and the Dende Yakala Kabo Toba de Lang Gawakum, Tadi Tola Lang Mea, Dende Tunchumba Toba de Dar Tas Yushana San and Rixamare. ngay peche yang tabo che tangi nyamba che che gu gu yore ane dine kyok samlo daro na.
So then, how difficult it is to obtain these precious human bodies? The this is explained by Buddha through analogy, through categories, as well as causes. So then, the analogy, the metaphors giving for the difficulties of obtaining these human body is like, you know, for example, if the uh, thousandfold universe is uh, it's an, oceans, and then in that ocean there is a blind turtle, and that blind turtle comes up to the surface of the ocean every 100 years, and while he is doing that, on the ocean itself, on the surface of the ocean, there is the a wooden yoke, carried or pushed back and forth on the surface of the ocean. The vast, infinitely vast oceans is being, pushed back and forth by the waves of the oceans there, and then, you know, uh, it's possible that one day the turtle, that appears, onto the surface once in 100 years. It is possible that with some, one day the turtle meets or turtle's head kind of enters into this yolk, right? It's possible. However, it is at the same time, you know, very unlikely. You know, it takes really very long time, right? The it is almost we cannot imagine, when they're going to meet, right? So just like that, precious human body is of course possible to obtain, but at the same time, it is very, very difficult, even more difficult than the meeting of this turtle, blind turtle, and, and this yolk on the surface of the ocean, right? So therefore, uh, we have to contemplate that we are very fortunate to have these human precious bodies. It is very possible that we are being born in all the various other, the realms, right? Not in the human realm, but in many other realms. It is all time very possible that we are being born in many other realms. However, now uh, we are in this human realm, and we are very precious because of being born here. So we have to be very happy, content, as well as, rejoice about the fact that we have these human bodies. And then we have to, at the same time, commit ourselves to make this human body a meaningful, body or life. So now please take a moment and contemplate on this. And yeah, at the same time, give rise to this good thought or the good commitment that we're going to make this human body a very useful and meaningful human body.
나서 다 나신도 좀 된데 배셔마 가르송에서 네 컵, 지도 선에 랑내샤 대가랑 아주 셈마 주 라소바다 네 셈마 지도 네 컵간 또로이나 네 컵지sel라 테스그레베 시그마르람나 무슨깔라 가버와 이나 타블렛 대왕기 까발라 네 테스바레 대회장 밀르름 버지데 도베 깔라 가버레 송여레 안 다가나신도 배셴바지 장가 jambo dendala nga zon zhu dan, zhe dan, sema zon zon torba ina. Ani janne tegi ribasa, te khaburwa. Table te wangi yang ka agula te sigi yu pare. Wa tewe jang mili rumbo chatu tobe di kale khawara ya sigi yu re. Tendi yuni tanda, nga zon mili rumbo chatu toba de ni, ta pechu yabu tango re ma to. Ani taga zani lelo dan shishu yonde te shana. Ani chema da dene lelo togu marwa.
So another analogy given by the Buddha is the needle. He says that if we put a needle out there and then throw some grain or rice or some beans and try to see if one of the grain, a piece of grain, stays on the tip of the needles. So then, if we do that, it is almost impossible. A piece of grain stays on the tip of the needle, right? But however, a certain point, it's might one grain might stay on the tip of the the needle, but it's almost impossible. It is very difficult, right? And then that is one analogy, and then another analogy is on a very shiny and a smooth wall. If you throw some grain or rice, would one piece stay on the wall? It's very unlikely, right? That any grain stay on the wall, a shiny and smooth wall, right? So, however, sometimes by certain special circumstances, one grain might stay on the wall, right? However, it's very, very unlikely that any grain or piece of grain or rice stay on the wall, right? So just like that, our obtaining human body is very difficult, even more difficult than these things, right? So therefore, while having the human body, we have to be very content and be happy about it, and at the same time, we have to rejoice about the fact that we have the precious human body, which is very difficult to obtain, right? So now please contemplate on this point.
나서 다데 잘라 장기군에 삼라다나야 밀르름 버시 도베데 네 샤다게 갈라가 버려 송고요 네 장디 좀된데 간데 송고요 세드 장세다 찍데 나서 생공제 kar마다 님의 kar마라 배샤네 송고요 첸라 나서 kar마 샤라 마모 동그래 님 님아지 마도바 셴 가양 통토고 말해 다가 법라 나와테스 통토고 와 셴 통토고 말해 데 나진데네 냐와데 체메 kar마이나 예다데 님의 kar마나 주코니를 망년 잡으려 아니 야 예다데 체면 karma 나진이나 된로데 님의 karma 나진체네 양데네 잡으려 된로데 체면 karma 나진나 토리 하다 미르덴데조데 네 님의 karma 나제 시라 뉴뉴를 제대유래 빼직 된데래 당보되지 상무다나 야야야야 로고 그래 아 냐와데 다 체면 karma 나진 제바이나 예다데 님의 karma 나진제 다가 나신 예다데나 예다다 된저를 빼자 된저다 토리술로 되자요
음, 알았어. Okay, then next analogy is giving the analogy of number or category. So the analogy of number is of number of stars during the daytime and during evening times, right? In the evening times, there we can see many. In evening or nighttime, we can see many stars, but during daytime, it is always hard to see any stars, right? Almost, we want to see almost no stars, right? So then, you know, then this star analogy is if we apply it to different beings in the different realms, it will be like, you know, the hell realms, if they are like the beings in the hell realms, if they are like, stars at night, then the hunger ghosts will be uh the stars during the daytime. If the hunger ghosts are like the stars at night, then the animals, the beings in the animal realms will be like the stars during the daytime. If the animals, the beings in the animal realms are like the star at night, then the other beings on the higher realms will be like the star during the daytime. So yeah, this is the first analogy of the numbers, giving about the difficulties of the obtaining uh, the precious human body. So please contemplate on this. Yeah.
나서 때는 다 나선도 장기군에 세소 셴바지야 요바인바 네 다냐와지 섬진데 망용 사천부지 돌 나셔 망부요 송고요래 예다데 조 강가지 네 제매지 장 나셔 망부요래서 근데 된로데 사den나 창가버지 망마서로 창 다 용조 되잖아 가서 요래 다 나셔 망부요래서 창기 망마서 네 네 라마인데 카위 보육초바 나신 가와 타라 되게 대해서 보육초 잠지 되는지 망보 요래서 달하다 미니보데 세모된게 둘 삼아도바 여마레 된데 송난거래 다 딜라데나야 가주 미류디 시라게 뇽뇽을 빼는 가주 미 수부질라 삼노다나 되네 심부 가주여래 장가 거랑 쓰고 말어와 타티바 레레레를 심부 쇼주여래 타이즈모 레레를 심부 쇼주여래 디스 망쳐다 튼저르 젠다 되네 냐워르 젠다 섬지 현지르 젠데도 샤고여래 니 미디 디나나 찍 니마도 용고 말바래 잠불링 다가랑 망라 삼노다나야 로아 미 로아데 되네 뇽아 다 보다 섬지 망보질라잖아 미디 샤라 뇽아로 와 덴데 민 낭내자한테는 다주주지 야고 상금에서 근데 샤라게 뇽하다 콤보 쇼지래 되요래 덴데 인데는 가져다다 덴데지 도비 밀류를 뭐제 되네 주저다 털라도 마당와제 아니 다 된여바지 네 죄날마저 누레 베서 제고래 나고모 계시 쟁어서 근데 아니 다 밀류를 뭐제 토바칼레 하볼로 삼바당 윤디고 년선 매버 주주바 nem는 나는 쇼로서 비유래 선 다나가 좀 삼로동마 남다데 이미지 버려요래 다콩 저 주병도 로 망버지르나 셈거라 마고 버지 날 마고는 년선매 버려서요와 다나가 좀 년선매 니 마고는 아주 교보다 시로로와 이나 관계 남도 남아 되네요래 그래서 다 다저데 니 갖고요 봐 니는 전주버 여바데 공부 공내 되네지 어느 정도 나요래 아주 공 찍어 지장 많이 나요 강강 중에 제기 있나 선물지 이거 그래 이다 장가지 막마디 된로 가위 부유 초바디 가위 하마인 강바 마바지 살아서리 또 차가 맞아지 와 창도이지 창동 다 지든 잠불는 게 장수 주지 막막한 냠도 뽕잖아 휴지여로 와 하다 면지도 세모지가 돌 가져야 돼 된
Okay, then the another the analogy of the number giving to the different beings is like the hell realms will be like the dust of the entire earth. The dust particle of the entire earth is equals or the same to the number of the hell realms, and then number of the beings in hell realms, sorry, the hell beings, and then the hunger ghost being, those will be similar to the scent along the river Ganga, and then the the beings in the animal realms will be like the green amount of green we use to make a barley beer. And then the beings in the demigod realms will be like the number of the snows when it's not snowing very heavy but slightly kind of snowing, that kind of the snow falling, or the numbers will be kind of then same to the beings of the demigod. Then beings in the human and the god realms will be like, compared to those others, then there will be like a pinch of dust on our fingernails, at that amount of the dust, on. So it is a very small numbers. Our human number and the god, and the god number compared to other number of the other beings, it's very small, right? So therefore, when we are having this human body, we have to cherish it very well. We have to use it very well, right? And it says that the famous Tibetan master Geshe Jiangawa, he having realized the importance or the difficulties of finding uh, human bodies, then he practiced day and night without stoppings for all time in his mind. Then the precious human body is kind of you know the most important things, and he completely kind of dedicated himself to make his life, the human life, meaningful. So just like that, for us, we have the same human bodies, and we, even though not able to practice like him, we have to make effort to make according to our own capacity. We have to make effort to make uh, effort to uh, uh, kind of, in a way, our human life is you know very meaningful and helpful to others. So now please take a moment and contemplate on this.
나서 되는 가서 내 삼주직이 아니 배자 낭만의 갈래 말로 냠도 소로나
Okay, we will stop here today. Please read with me the uh, dedication chanting.
Ruba Jembe Dilgoro Dej Sanga Jebe Gawad Gizum Sabe Gezo Gundum Lame Janju Nyingboro Ngowarangi Sonam Deye Daye Ruang Chena Zawe Barje Gunji Lemnye Lamye Juba Darje Pema Jalbe Ngoba Nyurondo Ju Zaju Lame Jela Melaj Yedam Gando Ludan Jibje Ozome Barje Gunzavane Chode Wajod Taje Jo Om Badrangoro Bemazede Om Mije de Lejembe Yejene Ozanyo Mengaye Damen Sonjo Wambe Jodarangona Rajenjo Bejenjo Bemao Chunyi Won Som Jazere Delelo Nyamna Gon Benjamin Ganjem Reba Zebe Bawo Daviz Chuze Lo De Doje Lo Garanjo Dewe De Me Gombo Daye Ninji Dire Chana Be Mona Kosum Go De Jime Do Ngöndro be zenjo je lazo zendango ye namro dale be juju cha wajembe de zand dajen ga nyam ye je jabo zede be ma dang do je warajo te yare zenam je zenlam la de nengo ye je jabo so je la me go ba nyurdo rajen de ni lunje do barajo de me je dair me be manjo ranata sando bareje nare yer me maju nyunge de ne nam da shendo je warajo Kando jebe jewa damje do dore yunden dunden do Jema dando chedan je yurune soljen jun Rawan yu barajno jedo nene nyembo dundo Sedere zebe jazo galwaraj Seba dambe cheram dunje je jeben dum Kyunga me barajo labje jindu joru me tamje chamje sanje to barajo lazo doji che sama kozo tongja na tunda jema jayong.
Thank you all. Please take care. I will see you next week.